guys, my name is Anne Frymark. I'm the teen programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini yarn hats. So the first thing you're going to need is a lot of yarn. You can do whatever colors it is you want to do for your little hat. You'll need roughly about 50 strands that are about a foot long. And then you may use all of them, you may not. It just kind of depends on how tightly you weave your little hat. Then you'll need a toilet paper ring that's cut about 1/2 inch to 1/4, 3/4 of an inch. Again, it just kind of depends on how thick you want your little band right here. You will also need just the tiniest bit of tissue paper and of course scissors. So go ahead and take a moment and gather all your materials. Alright guys, now that you've gathered all of your materials and that you've cut your yarn into its strands, you're going to take the first one, fold it together, loop it through the ring, and loop it back under and pull so that it goes onto the ring like so. So what's going to happen is you're going to continue doing this with all the other strands, just looping it through and back through and pulling, making sure that you're going the same direction each time. And so we're going to do this until it lines and fills up all the space and you can't see any of the cardboard, just like on here. Alright guys, once you have your yarn wrapped all around the ring, you'll see where the knots are here at the bottom. All you're going to do now is twist. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the goal is to twist it and then pop it through. And such as now, if you've got a little too much yarn trying to get through, you can use your scissors and kind of shave off some of it. And we'll fix that up later once we have closer to the final product. And the main goal is, do it however it works, is popping your yarn back through the toilet ring. And you can do it however is easiest for you. And then boop. Once we're through, this will kind of help turn the knots inward. Then we'll comb this out. There we go, kind of brush that out. And then you're gonna take one of your strands of yarn and we're gonna make the kind of the top part of the hat. So all you have to do a little ways up. We're just kind of roughly tie that. And then we're gonna do some trimming. And then before you get too far in that, take your tissue paper, kind of ball it up, and this will kind of help your hat keep its form. Kind of squish it around, pull at different strings, and then we're going to make the little fluff on top. And so you're just going to start by trimming off the extra yarn that's on the top. side. Don't really need that anymore. And then I'm gonna make mine a little crazier. This one you can always cut it shorter and kind of fluff it out, like I have it on this one. Or you can leave it long and have it just kind of be a little crazy. I always like doing different things with my projects. And then you just kind of keep trimming until it's just what you want. And then one thing you can do with this is right around here where we tied off the string on the top, you can loop through another string and tie it at the top where it would kind of sit kind of like this. And you can hang it on your Christmas tree if you so choose and be a little ornament. So I think I am done. I'm fairly happy with my little yarn hat. So as you can see, different sizes. Both came out roughly the same. Very cool, very nice. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video today, we do have activity bags with all the string already cut out for you, as well as the toilet ring and tissue paper. They will be available in the month of December at the Amy Sanders Library. We do have limited supplies, but get here fast and we'll make sure to get you one. So thanks for watching today.